Here we go again on our own. Look, 2 bin lorries. Just started collecting the green bins around here again. By green I mean blue. I just mean the green stuff goes in them. Oh, great. Oh, it's even colder this morning. If anything, it's colder this morning. Come on then. Bye. Love you, bye. A little bit later this morning, so I'm going to take the motorway. The best way, the motorway. Actually, I don't like the motorway, it's a bit boring, innit? I don't mind it for cars because it's a quick way of getting places, but on the bike, yawn. But it serves a purpose. Another glorious day this morning. I think the weather's turning at the end of the week, so which is great because I'm meant to be going for a walk on at the weekend down Derbyshire way, or I think it's Shropshire actually, Leek. Sun is shining, the weather is sweet. Make you wanna move your dancing feet now. Love that song. Such a good song that I've just butchered, and I apologise. Probably got the words wrong somewhere there. I always do. Oh, you can traffic safety all you want, friend, but it's still a mess. Oh, seriously, come on. Second gear. I heard sirens. You'd think that people were boarding a car ferry here, not joining a motorway. Windy. Cripes, it's blowy. Lots of lovely people today letting me through. I love you all. And in return, I show my appreciation. Because we're all friends here, I keep saying. I cleaned my visor last night, which is good because it was bogging. He's edging. Edging and edging he was, so I thought I'd let him go. Some people don't like it, some people think you're cheating. Yeah, so just a little bit of soap, a little bit of water. Clean visor. No more schmutz. Yeah, I'm coming around, so you stay there, please. Thank you. Because it was horrific. But now I can see, which is nice. Oh, imagine if I found the exact bit where it's the worst. That was it. Weavertree Technology Park. The park of the future. Featuring Barclays Bank and Danone. Danone. One of my favourite DD sketches from Limmy show. Danone. Danone. 'Cause it was horrific. But no, I can see, which is nice. Oh, imagine if I found the exact bit where it's the worst. That was it. Weavertree Technology Park. The park of the future. Featuring Barclays Bank and Danone. 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 'Cause it was horrific. If you've never watched Limmy's show and you like good independence, although he was, it was on the BBC, but he made it himself. He wrote it and everything, so definitely go and watch Limmy's show. Oh, thanks, mate. Thanks, friend. Didn't put my feet down, almost at a dead stop. Just mind the pits of hell covered in a metal grate. Oh, there is going to be some filtration going on here. Oh, that was bad traffic. It's a bit sketchy. Well, not sketchy, but I'm a bit of a wimp and didn't filter could have filtered up the outside and got past it all, but never mind. It's a good morning to freeze one's fingers off, so go with it. Better. A lot of traffic this morning. Must be a bit later than I thought. Must be a bit later than I thought. Right, how many are turning right here? Doesn't matter because they're all going straight ahead. Excellent. Oh, found both grids. Come on. Don't look at the grids. Look away from the grids. It's home time again. So let's go home. To the old homestead. To the house of home. These lights keep going green. They're going to make me not need to filter. Ooh. It's definitely warmer this afternoon. I can already feel it. It is much warmer. Much, much warmer. And off we go. Get a few ahead, I think. Oh, look at this. Scooters unite. Unite. For these to shift up. Okay, it's not really 2 lanes, but I'll let you off. No way I'm getting next to this Duke. Put money on they're going to move across in a minute. Definitely going to come across me. Lumpy tarmac is the best tarmac. Or is it? Huh. Let's go round the roundabout of Dewbrook. Oh, just noticed there are some roadworks on the other side. Just get on with it. It's tooting your horn. Like some sort of horn tooter. Not doing my best work here. I'm looking like an idiot in front of the other bikers who should be not fearing, who should have a mutual respect for me, which is gone the second I don't filter. I don't know, I'm talking rubbish. This really is one of the best ways to travel. Are you gonna eat? Okay. Fair enough, don't look at what I'm doing, you just crack on. I suppose everyone's waiting for that person. This lane is my lane. Oop, there we go. Well, that was another quiet, uneventful one, wasn't it? Nice little trip home. Very little drama. A little bit of drama. Wasn't me. Nothing to do with me. Oh, excellent positioning again. Right behind the car, so I can't see nothing. If this little quiet, silent movie makes it onto YouTube, then thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit all of those buttons underneath that matter. And I want you to know that I love you all. Goodbye.